Hey Resonators, so I am so excited to show you this quick tutorial. So you guys love the little pearl bows that I made so much, so I decided to try it again with some iridescent rhinestones. So this one I was really excited for because I love a lot of sparkle. So to make these, first you have to fill the mold up with a bunch of these iridescent rhinestones. So I got these ones from Amazon and I believe they're in size 6mm. And these were the perfect size to work with on these bowls. So once you fill the bowl itself, then you want to go in and fill the lid. This part can get a little bit messy if you're not really careful when you're putting these in. So be careful and make sure you don't spill them all over the place. Oh, and look at that sparkle, just love it. Okay, so for this part, you have to very, very slowly pour the resin into the mold. For this one, I used crystal clear resin and then I added a little bit of my iridescent silver glitter because I knew that it would just add just a little bit more sparkle, and that is exactly what I was looking for. So you have to make sure that you pour it in really slowly or else it'll spill over the sides of the mold, and trust me, you do not want to have to clean up that mess. I just love watching the little bubbles pop around the sides. It's so satisfying. Is it just me? So for these ones, I used Dr. Crafty resin, which I got from Amazon, which is a great resin to use because it makes everything completely crystal clear. And it's usually pretty bubble free as long as you make sure to mix it nice and slow. So finish up by pouring the rest of the resin into the lid really slowly. That'll make sure that the resin soaks into all the nooks and crannies. Okay, so once you let it cure for a couple of days, then you're ready to demold. And guys, I was so impressed with how these turned out. I'm so glad I added that iridescent glitter to it because it added just a little bit more sparkle, which is exactly what I was looking for. So if you like how these turned out, make sure you rate them from 1 to 10. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow.